Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you this delicious Nigerian recipe, this pepper soup recipe. Today I'm going to make chicken pepper soup recipe. If you are new here, you're welcome. Thanks for being supportive of Olayemi cooking. Do not forget to hit the like button on this video and remember to share Olayemi recipes with your loved ones and your friends. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new recipe. Let's go straight in preparing our chicken pepper soup. Now I'm going to start cleaning this chicken up. Wash it for the second time. You can as well do a chicken pepper soup or goat meat pepper soup. You can as well do that, but now I'm going to share this with you, chicken pepper soup. I guess I'll be doing the goat pepper soup some other time, but let's do the chicken pepper soup first. Do not forget to subscribe to get updated every time I upload new recipe, to get updated of the next pepper soup recipe. Okay, this one is clean. So I'm going to start seasoning our chicken. So let's start seasoning it. I'm going to add my diced onions, pinch of salt to give it a nice taste. I'm going to add 2 cubes of seasoning. You can as well use now. It all depends on which type of seasoning you are using, but this time around I'm going to use my local seasoning, which is a Maggi. I'm going to use Maggi. I'm not doing advert for Maggi, so don't think I'm doing advert for them. So I'm going to use 2 cubes of Maggi star or whatever it's called. So I'm going to put that. So I'll squeeze it in. There's one thing that I normally do. I normally use my hand to mix the seasoning so everything will get cooperated with the chicken. But I'm going to add about a spoon of thyme leaf, dry thyme leaf. Now I'm going to add black pepper, some pinch of black pepper, just to give it that taste of black pepper. So I'm going to mix this with my hand. My hands is clean, don't worry about that. So I will mix this together. You can as well put this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to let the chicken get seasoned properly. It all depends on how you like it, but if you want to cook it now, you can just mix it with your hand so everything will get cooperated with the chicken before cooking it. So since I'm cooking it now, I don't want to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge because it's weekend and my husband really likes me preparing him soup, especially pepper soup, and it goes along with juice and it goes along with other soft drinks that you feel like going with it. So I'm going to keep on doing this for 3 to 2 minutes, so because I want everything to be mixed. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It really shows me that you want me to keep on doing more, and do not forget to like, to show me that you want more of this recipe. Leave down a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Now I'm going to put this on the stove and let it cook for some couple of minutes. You can see I didn't add any water to it. I'm going to cover it and put it in the stove. So the chicken will give me some little amount of water. The seasoning and everything will steam with the chicken before adding any water. Let's go straight in putting it on the stove top. So I'm going to put on the stove. I'm going to allow this cook for 15 minutes. Then I'll come back and check it. Please leave that in comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about preparing pepper soup. Pepper soup is very spicy and it brings out the stress in you. You know, for those of you that like eating pepper soup, when you're stressed up eating pepper soup, oh my god, you're in another world. So let's wait for this for a couple of 15 minutes, then we'll come back and check it. Let's check it after 15 minutes. You can see the chicken already gave us some water and everything look perfectly steamed. So I'm going to add some couple of water into it. I want the water to cover the chicken. This should be enough for it to be cooked. I have this habit. I'm not good in doing measurements. Usually when I'm cooking, I'm just that type that do free and measurement. And I found myself doing measurement because of my YouTube and because I want you guys to get the perfect ingredients and the perfect seasoning for it. I want the chicken stock to cover up the chicken because I'm going to need enough of that chicken stock to prepare my pepper soup. Okay, yeah, done. You can as well check the taste of this seasoning, but if you feel the taste of the salt is not okay, you can as well add little salt to it. But I don't think this really need more salt to me. Everything tastes perfectly. It's now time for us to cook it. We are going to cover it and cook it for a couple of minutes because I want my chicken to be properly cooked and easy to bite. So I'm going to cook this for another 20 minutes. So we are going to check our chicken if it's ready. Or it's almost ready because I want this to be properly cooked. While waiting for this to ready, we are going to give it extra time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. We'll start preparing our pepper. So let's go and prepare our fresh pepper. So this is what we are going to be using. I'm going to be using one red bell pepper. It's optional. You can use it, you cannot use it. It's optional, but me, I'm going to be using one red pepper. I'm going to be using 4 habanero. It all depends how you want it to be spicy. You can as well increase your pepper to give it more spice. But I'm going to be using 4 habanero. You know, habanero is very spicy, so I'm using 4. It all depends on your tolerance of spice. So you can as well blend onions, one onions. But I'm not going to blend onions with this, so I'm going to blend this pepper. This thing is going to be really spicy, so I'm going to blend this. So let's prepare this. Everything has been cleaned, so I'm going to blend this. Then I'm going to add it to my chicken. So if you have not liked this video yet, please do not forget to like button and leave down a comment. What do you think about this pepper soup recipe in the comment section? Let me know other pepper soup recipe that you want me to prepare. I'm ready to prepare anything. Just put it in the comment section. I have so many pepper soup recipes that I'm going to share with you, but let's start with the chicken pepper soup first. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new video. Support us with like, and do not forget to share our recipe. We have so many recipes like Nigeria fried rice, Nigeria buns, and Nigeria puff. Please do not forget to check that out. We have so many playlists on how to cook Nigeria food. Don't let me keep waste your time. Let me start blending the pepper. It's time for us to add our blended pepper into this. My dear, life is so easy. You can see this soup is very easy. I prepare everything from scratch. I bought a live chicken, then I went to the slaughter to slaughter it. All those one are long story, Abby. So I came back home, I clean, and we start preparing everything from scratch. So we are going to allow this to cook for some minutes before adding our pepper soup spice. For those that are in Nigeria, you can get pepper soup spice in the market. You just ask those women to help you combine the pepper soup ingredients, and you get the perfect taste of pepper soup ingredient. Those women are really good than all those pack one. But those of you that are outside Nigeria, you can go to African stores and you get pepper soup ingredients. But this pepper soup ingredients I'm going to be using in my soup, it was prepared by my big sister in Nigeria, and she sent it over to me. So it's original pepper soup, not a fake one. It's original one. So let's wait for this to cook for 10 minutes before adding our pepper soup spice. So I'll cover this and allow this to cook for 10 minutes before adding our spice. Now it's time for us to add our pepper soup ingredients. I'm going to add my pepper soup ingredients. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? Don't miss out. Please just hit the subscribe button and the bell button, because there are so many of my recipes coming. This time I'm going to explode YouTube with more of my delicious recipe. I'm going to share with you other what's it called, goat meat pepper soup, spinach soup. Oh my god, a foriro, you know that thing. As they normally say, olobe local. This time I'm going to spoil you with more of delicious Nigerian food and more of snacks and more of salad. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to be updated every time I upload new videos. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of pepper soup ingredients. So I'm going to stir this. I'm going to stir the ingredients with the chicken so everything will. I can see so many people are saying tatache, red pepper, bell pepper in pepper soup. Oh my god, I've not seen that before. Or more, you need deliverance. So if you never try them, this time try and do that. You see it's very delicious and it's very tasty. So I'm going to stir this. I want the ingredients to mix with it. You can as well add as more pepper soup spice that you want, but I'm going to add that just half spoon into this. So I'm going to allow this to cook for just another 5 minutes, and our pepper soup will be ready to be eaten. So I'm going to add some touch of leaf. You can as well use a scent leaf, igu, or use spinach. I'm going to use spinach just to give it a fine color. You can as well leave your pepper soup without leaf or vegetables as you want it, but this time I'm going to add just a touch of spinach to make it my husband normally say this. I don't know if other people say that if women want to take something from their husband, they're normal. Yes baby, I'm coming. If they want to take something from their husband, they will prepare their husband's favorite dish. Maybe they want to take some cash from him. They'll make him, everything will be perfect in that recipe. The seasoning, the salt, everything will come out perfect. You know they want to take something from him. I don't know how truth is that. So let me know in the comment section if you do that. Now I'm going to add some leaf just to give it a color and another flavor. I'm using spinach. I'm not using ugu or scent leaf. I'm using spinach because that is what I have close by. So, and it's very fresh. I just dice it and just add it to it. So we are going to wait for this to cook for 5 minutes. Oh my, Have you liked this video yet? Do not forget to share our recipe with your loved ones and subscribe to get notified of my delicious recipe. Let's check our soup. Oh my god, this is calling for, do you know what? I think my juice is in the fridge and it's ready. It's ready. I'm ready to eat this pepper soup. Oh my god, you can see. So it's time for me to dish it in a plate. You can see our pepper soup is ready for you to be eating. Thanks so much for watching this recipe. Please do not forget to share this recipe with your loved ones, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you'll be the first to know every time I upload a new video. Leave down a comment in the comment section when you try this recipe. And do not forget to follow me on my Facebook page at Pretty Olayemi Cooking China #food. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter at my video. I guess I will see you all in my next recipe. And please be safe out there. Thank you. Bye.